Hey guys, it's me Rachel, and today I am back with another hair video for you guys. Hopefully these camera settings are not all messed up. This isn't really my camera, it's my sister's camera. She's been letting me use it for a while. But I changed the settings on it and I don't know if this is like right or what, but we're just gonna go with the flow. So today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, is coming from Hairvivi. Let me get my box together. My product placement. As you can tell by the title, today's hair is coming from Hairvivi. And this is what their beautiful packaging looks like. They've always won packaging for me. 10 out of 10. It had a beautiful bow tied on it, but I don't have it anymore. And inside it just has their paper. And then I got a comb. I have so many rat tail combs, guys. It's ridiculous. And then I got some hair clips as well. Hairvivi was one of the first real wig companies that reached out to me. Prior to them, it was like all bundle hair and like AliExpress companies. But Hairvivi was the first real brand, and I've been impressed from the jump. It's been really hard to top them. I've been wanting to do a top hair companies of 2019 video. If I had a top hair company of 2019, close competition, but Hairvivi would definitely be one of the top 2, and they have been on my list for quite a while now if you guys actually like watch my videos and stuff. So Hairvivi is infamous for being like the best beginners wig website, and I 100% agree. Their wigs come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, it's customized, like an elastic band's already sewn on, literally everything you can think of. Like the scalp is already like a scalp color. The lace, when you put it against your skin, especially my brown skin, it just blends in flawlessly. Another amazing perk about this wig is that it does have the fake scalp method. So under here is like a fake scalp basically. I showed you guys this more in detail in my previous video, but the construction of these wigs is just beyond amazing. So I just wanted to kind of go over what this wig is, and then I will set you guys free and let you guys watch how I put it on. So the wig that I have here is the Sierra Celebrity Lace Wig Natural Wave Fake Scalp Wig. This is 100% virgin hair. It has a 5.5-inch part lace line, so the hair part's back this far, which is actually pretty good. And then it comes in lengths 12 to 22. I'll put what I got down below, and I'm pretty sure this is 160% density because the only other option is 200, and this just does not feel like a 200. So that's basically all there is to know about this wig for now, but I'll be sure to leave everything down in the description box. And if you guys want to see how I put this wig on, my little trial and error, then just keep watching. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. All girl faces saying why. Tears and eyes. Should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me. Listening to friends. Now it's the end. And again, no reckoning without it. Damn, I loved you. You were my girl. You see, but the world of you. But you're so steady, baby. Yeah. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. Boogie tonight. 'Cause I'm actually too young of a guy to stay home waiting for love. So tonight I'm gonna do anything on that does, and that's why. Oh yeah. That's how it's going down. Yo, after the night, yo. Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my nigga for real. Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my nigga for real. Don't leave your girl around me. Oh no, you don't gotta go. I'ma be around tonight. You don't have to go. You ain't gotta go. I'm okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. Going out with my nigga. Yeah. It's okay. I'm alright, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You
Saying why, tears and I should have been more smart about it. Should have cherished me, listening to friends. Now it's the end, and again, no reckoning without it. Damn, I loved you. You were my girl. You see, I thought the world of you, but you're so steady, baby.
Okay, y'all, that is all for this video. Thank you so much to Hairvivi for sponsoring it. Hopefully you guys check out this Sierra wig. It is really nice. The hair on it is bomb. It has a beautiful shine. I did, however, spray loads of hairspray in it and had to press it and curl it, and I think I even burnt my forehead in the process. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.